Welcome to the third episode of Quarantine. Right now I'm outside, though I'm not supposed to be. But I know, like, the chances of me getting corona and, like, the benefits of the outside far outweighs, like, the risk of getting corona and stuff. I'm outside to get away from the computers and stuff. It's gonna be harmful for my brain. My mom always says that them computers, they give electronic waves. It's gonna mess up my memory and stuff. Right now I'm outside to listen to the sound of nature and see some sunlight. So how do we get started? For those of you who've never been outside and enjoyed nature, it's really simple. First you wanna put in your earplugs. Get it untangled and stuff. Okay, and then you take the plug and then you plug it into something you want to listen to. Here, I'm gonna try listening to these flowers today. Alright, let's see. Okay, it's in. I heard the snap. Hey, you know, I'm not really a fan of flower music. Try something else. Hey, let's try some rock music. Guys, get in there. Hell yeah. There's some good stuff. You guys should try rock music too. Alright, what else? What the hell is this thing? Is it a plant? Shit, I don't know. Let's try listening to it. Alright, okay. Plug it in real quick. Alright, there we go. Alright, nice and tight. Oh, that's some good stuff. Hey, so that's it for today. I'm gonna go back to the inside. I'm done.